I love it. And you can even hold these little spots right here if you want in the center. So if you can see my hands being straight down, or hold the sides, or not at all. Hello everyone, my name's Scott. Welcome to Scott's Honest Review. Today, we are showing you guys reviewing this treadmill. Now, this treadmill was super easy to put together. I had no problems with it. In fact, this is pretty much all the screws that it came with. So, super easy, and it actually looks like nice quality. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. On the bottom here, there's a breaker. So if you ever trip something or it doesn't turn on, you can press that breaker button. Normally that's the case. One thing I do want to point out, for the oil, you put it underneath. So let's actually show you guys here. So for the oil, you put a little bit underneath the top. So underneath the track a little bit. So you might have to lift it up somehow, use flathead or something, and you put the oil underneath the top, the center, the bottom, and then you let it run. So turn it on and let it go down, and then you put oil top, center, bottom, underneath, and that just helps lubricate things. So we're gonna show you guys up close and actually use this. Also, an easier way for putting the oil is just to lift it up and then put it, reach your hand in, put the oil in the different. Also, make sure to take these out. So this is what the treadmill looks like from the side facing. I must say, this is a really nice treadmill. You got 2 cup holders, tons of presets, tons of settings on here. I mean, this thing's amazing. Got your heart rate. You can adjust the incline from here, adjust the incline from there, the speed from here, the speed from up here, heart rate again, emergency, stop. You have your key. Without the key, nothing happens. You can't do anything. Place your key inside. Once the key's inside, you have the nice display. You can adjust the clock. You got your calories, distance, time, pull, incline, speed, percentage, miles per hour. I mean, this thing is awesome. Then on here, you have your modes, programs, incline, up and down, speed, up and down. So T for time, distance, you can set. So if you want to actually set it to like a certain distance or something, you can do that. So we go under time, do 15 minutes, distance. Let's go ahead and just up that. And you could just use speed or incline up to adjust that. So let's just go distance there. Calories, let's say 50 calories. Now let's do, you can press and hold and it goes faster to 95 calories. And then all you have to do, press start. And then you can adjust the speed from there. Again, you can adjust the incline. And it lets you know the level. And you can go pretty far up. You get a quick hit these presets. So in this, ups it by that level from 2 to 14. Speed, if you want to hit the preset for the speed, you can go 2 miles per hour up to 8. But I'm telling you guys, this is one of the nicest treadmills I've reviewed. We've probably reviewed about 7 to 10 in our career, and this one is number 1. This is nice. Just from putting it together was super easy. Everything about this is so nice. And if you want to pause, just hit the stop. It'll slow down. And then it says pause. So then you can pause, take a break, whatever you're doing. If you need to catch your breath, no problem. Just hit start when you're ready and it'll pick up from there again. And then it picks up. Now it will start back at 0.6, the speed. So then you just adjust your speed. The incline stays. If you stop, the incline goes down. Press stop again, and it resets. I'm telling you guys, that's just a small percentage of what you can do with this machine. It's amazing. And if you're wondering where to put the clamp, for us, we just put it right here, right? We just lift this cup holder up a little bit and put it right there. Some people set it down inside. But overall, one of the nicest treadmills I've ever reviewed. And that's my real opinion. Thank you so much for watching our video, my friends. The THERUN Auto Incline Treadmill is overall one of the best treadmills that we have reviewed that is under $500. From just easy setup to all the options, even you can even use an app. So if you're looking for a long-term home fitness treadmill, definitely check this out. Check out the link in our video description. Get the treadmill. We can hit stop, and it slowly stops, which is great. The units that abruptly stop can send you flying, but this doesn't. Overall, love this. Like, I seriously do. Like, that's why I keep saying it. I really do love this. This is a very nice treadmill. Don't forget to pull your key when you are done. And you can turn it off down in the front.